Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. We're going to be unboxing a packaging tape dispenser. So it just seals the packages for your business clothing. If you have a business clothing, it's very handy. It's way quicker as well to when wrapping boxes up that's ready for package to be sent to the customer. So I bought this on Amazon for around €12. So here it is. It's already all pre-built, so it's very handy. There's a blade here, so when you stick in the roll here, the blade, so the roll will go here, put you under here, wrap it up, and it goes there, and you roll it, and you cut it. So yeah, I used it around once or twice. It's very handy. So I'll be showing you a video of how to use it, and it's very handy to use now. It's such a easy way of getting things done quicker, just wrapping up the boxes and everything. Like I said, it was only €12, so it was worth it. So I'm going to be just showing you how to put on, so you can get masking tape here or whichever tape suits the best. So if you put it this way here, it's going to be going through here and up. Actually no, sorry, that's the wrong way. It's going to be this way, upside down. So you want to make sure the tape is like this. Like that, upside down. Wrap it through here, grab it here, roll it through, cut off here and there. Basically, when you roll it, okay, no, have it the wrong way, sorry. So basically it's got to be facing this way. Going through here again. Like that, so do roll, so like that, boom, sticks to that, and then the blade you just cuts off like that. It's very handy, very simple. Yeah, if you're thinking of starting a clothing business, I would recommend one of these. They're very useful for packaging your boxes, and it's a lot quicker. It's very time saving, so it'll save you having to cut up tape all the time with scissors and all that. So very handy. Subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks.